Going out tonight, changing it in something red. Her mother, those who hadn't gone and dress everything she never had. She's showing up. Driving too fast, moon is breaking through her hair. She's heading for something that she won't forget. Heaven out on gratitude is all that she really wants. Rolling, getting older, baby, and I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just the fast the night changes everything that you ever dreamed of. Disappear when you wake up, but there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, it will never change me.